Okay, so some more about passing by reference. Over here we have two functions that use it. One function that gets two numbers, and we want to get two numbers. So the obvious solution is to pass by reference. The other one is to order two numbers. And again, we pass it two numbers and we want to get two numbers back, but in the correct order. So again, we see over here the little ampersand. So we have over here two integers, small and big. We get two of them. And we ask the user for some input. And you see that in getNums here, input 1 and input 2. And this is supposed to be the same thing as small, and this is supposed to be the same thing as big. But you see that there is really no control on whether the first one is going to be larger than the second or vice versa. Then order nums, we're sending them the same memory locations. And when we go to order nums, we check that they're actually in the proper order. If num1 is greater than num2, if they're out of order, then we're going to swap them. And let's look for a moment at that process of swapping. So I have over here a left, a right and a temp, and the left has to be smaller than the right. And over here you see that the left is smaller than the right, so we don't have to do anything. This if over here is false, so we're not going to execute this. But if this one is larger than this one, then we need to swap them. So what we're going to do is first use as the temp value num1, and that is the 20. Then we make num1 the same as num2. So we make the left one 10, and last num2 we take the value from temp, the temporary value, which is 20, and now we have them in the proper order. And of course, since we're passing by reference over here, we don't have to send anything back, and both of them will be permanently changed coming back over here after this has been executed, and then we're going to get the proper output statement. So let's run this. First we'll do 10 and then we do 20, and the two input numbers ordered smallest to biggest are 10 and 20. Now we're going to do 20 and 10. And you see that we get the correct result again, 10 and 20.